The world of athletics demands peak physical and mental performance. Athletes push their bodies to the limit, constantly striving to improve speed, strength, and endurance. While intense training is crucial for success, neglecting recovery can lead to plateaus, injuries, and burnout. This video, Yoga for Athletes to Boost Recovery, is where yoga emerges as a powerful tool, offering athletes a holistic approach to enhance recovery and optimize performance. Unveiling the benefits why yoga matters for athletes. Yoga for athletes to boost recovery goes far beyond just stretching. It's a multifaceted practice encompassing physical postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayama, meditation, and mindfulness. By incorporating these elements into their routine, athletes can reap a multitude of benefits. Enhanced flexibility. Yoga poses target various muscle groups, promoting greater flexibility and range of motion. This translates to improved athletic performance, injury prevention, and better form during workouts. Increased strength and stability. While not a weightlifting substitute, yoga poses like planks, warriors, and downward-facing dog can build core strength and stability, enhancing overall athletic performance. Improved balance and coordination. Balancing postures and flowing sequences in yoga demand focus and coordination. This translates to improved balance and agility on the field, court, or track. Stress reduction and mental toughness. Training and competition can be mentally demanding. Yoga's focus on breath work and meditation helps athletes manage stress, improve focus, and cultivate mental resilience, leading to better performance under pressure. Injury prevention and rehabilitation. Tight muscles contribute to injuries. Yoga's focus on stretching and body awareness helps prevent injuries and can even aid in rehabilitation following an injury. Improved sleep quality. Deep restorative yoga poses and relaxation techniques can promote better sleep quality, allowing athletes to recover more effectively. Heightened body awareness. Yoga cultivates a deeper connection with the body. Athletes learn to listen to their body's signals, preventing overtraining and optimizing performance. Tailoring your practice yoga styles for different athletic needs. With a wide variety of yoga styles available, athletes can choose practices that best suit their specific needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown of some popular styles and their benefits for athletes. Hatha Yoga. This foundational style focuses on basic postures, breathwork, and relaxation. It's a great starting point for beginners and can benefit athletes by improving flexibility, strength, and body awareness. Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga flows seamlessly between poses with synchronized breathwork, creating a dynamic and physically demanding practice. This style can enhance cardiovascular health, strength, and coordination, benefiting athletes seeking a more challenging workout. Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga focuses on holding passive, floor-based postures for extended periods, targeting deep connective tissues. This gentle practice promotes relaxation, improves flexibility, and aids in recovery after intense training. Restorative Yoga. Similar to Yin Yoga, Restorative Yoga utilizes props like bolsters, blocks, and straps to support the body in relaxing postures. This calming practice promotes deep relaxation and stress reduction, allowing for optimal recovery. Iyengar Yoga. Known for its emphasis on precise alignment and the use of props, Iyengar Yoga can help athletes improve posture, body awareness, and prevent injuries. Remember, consulting a yoga instructor experienced in working with athletes can help you create a personalized practice that aligns with your specific sport and goals. Beyond the mat, integrating yoga into your athletic training. Yoga for athletes to boost recovery's benefits extend beyond the studio. Here's how to integrate yoga practices into your athletic routine for maximized recovery and performance pre-workout routine. A short, dynamic yoga sequence can improve blood flow, activate muscles, and prepare your body for an intense workout. Post-workout recovery, yin yoga or restorative yoga poses can help cool down after a workout, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation for optimal recovery. Active rest days. Use yoga as an active rest day practice. Gentle stretching, breath work, and meditation can promote recovery while still engaging your body and mind. Cross-training. Yoga can be incorporated as a cross-training activity, providing variation to your routine while still improving overall fitness and preventing plateaus. Essential tips for athletes embracing yoga. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself beyond your limits. Yoga is a journey, not a competition. Focus on breath. Breathe deeply and consciously throughout your practice. Breathwork helps connect the mind and body, enhancing focus and relaxation. Embrace modifications. Don't be afraid to modify poses to suit your needs and limitations. Every body is different, and the key is proper alignment and engagement, not achieving perfect-looking postures. Find a qualified instructor. Look for a yoga instructor with experience working with athletes. They can guide you in safe and effective practices tailored to you. Embracing the journey yoga beyond the physical gains. Yoga for athletes. To boost recovery offers benefits that extend far beyond improving physical performance. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your practice, you can cultivate mental resilience, manage stress, and achieve a deeper sense of well-being. Here are some ways to integrate these aspects into your yoga journey. Focus on your breath. Consciously controlling your breath during yoga poses can help you focus on the present moment and reduce anxiety. Practice gratitude. Take a moment during your practice to express gratitude for your body and its capabilities. Set intentions. Before your practice, set an intention for what you want to achieve, whether it's improved focus, relaxation, or a sense of peace. Meditation. Include short meditations before or after your yoga practice to quiet the mind and cultivate inner calmness. By embracing both the physical and mental aspects of yoga, you can become a more well-rounded athlete, ready to take on challenges on and off the field. The final word, yoga for athletes. To boost recovery is a gift for athletes. By integrating this ancient practice into your training regimen, you can unlock your full potential, achieve peak performance, and truly embody the spirit of a well-rounded athlete. So, lace up your shoes, grab your mat, and embrace the transformative power of yoga. Thanks for watching this video, Yoga for Athletes to Boost Recovery.